So, the referral notes flagged issues with confusion. But is this more dementia or medication related?
It's hard to say Mihira. She's on amitriptyline for chronic pain, possibly contributing. Her daughter also mentioned episodes of agitation, especially after her iron infusion.
Hmm, that could be restlessness from low folate. And did the physio mention gait instability?
Yes, but also raised concerns about a fall risk. Her Parkinson's diagnosis complicates that, though her tremor's mild.
Right. And her vitamin B12 levels were borderline. Plus, she's had recurrent UTIs, which can exacerbate confusion too.
True. But it's the daytime wandering that worries the care home. They suspect sundowning, but it happening at noon.
Then not classic sundowning. Could be disinhibition, possibly frontal lobe signs. Let's review her meds and request a neuroconsult. Meanwhile, flag the folate levels and ask for speech to review cognition.
Agreed, Mihira. I'll note the priorities: folate, neuroreferral, and monitoring agitation. First, I want you to know that we have a clear plan for you, and our entire team is here to support you every step of the way. Mihira, I understand that coming into the hospital can feel overwhelming, and dealing with these restless, uncomfortable sensations has been exhausting for you. Please be assured that our primary goal is to help you find relief and get you back home to your own bed as soon as it is safe and practical to do so. Mihira, you are not alone in this. Our medical team, including specialists who understand restless leg syndrome very well, will be monitoring you closely. We will be working to accurately assess your symptoms and fine-tune a management plan that works specifically for you. To make your stay more comfortable, please remember that your loved ones are welcome to visit at any time that is convenient for you. Having their support can make a real difference. We encourage you to let us know if you need anything at all, whether it's a question, a moment of discomfort, or just a chat. We are here for you, and your comfort and understanding are our top priorities as we work together towards your recovery and discharge.